Hey there, food lovers! Today, we're going to learn how to make a simple and delicious pilau beef dish. This recipe is perfect for those who want to whip up a hearty meal in no time. So, let's get started. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 kilogram of meat, 2 cups of basmati rice, 2 medium onions, chopped and cubed, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, 1 tablespoon of garam masala for medium potatoes, peeled, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and cooking oil. To start, heat some oil in a pan and add the chopped onions. Sauté them until they're lightly browned. Next, add the meat and cook it until it's browned. Once the meat is cooked, add the garlic and ginger pastes, along with the garam masala. Mix everything together well. Now, it's time to add the rice. Pour the rice into the pan and mix it with the meat and spices. Add the potatoes and mix everything together again. Finally, season the dish with black pepper to taste. And there you have it, a simple pilau beef dish that's perfect for a quick and satisfying meal. This recipe is not only delicious but also versatile, as you can add your favorite vegetables or change up the spices to suit your taste buds. Thank you for joining me today in this culinary adventure. If you enjoyed this recipe and want to see more, don't forget to follow and subscribe. Happy cooking, everyone!